my channels. I'm glad you darlings are back for another video. You know your girl trying to crank out these videos daily, or you know what I mean, daily, but like weekly technically, but not weekly because I'm posting twice a week, so daily, weekly, okay, if that's even a word. But yeah, I've been trying to get more videos out to you guys, and I know I haven't gotten any video out in like 2, maybe even like 3 weeks. I'm sorry. Like, it's been real hectic for me. You know, I work a 9 to 5, so a girl trying to get off a 9 to 5 so I can focus on my main priority, which is you guys, and then modeling. So, you know, I'm working on that, soon to come, okay? Bet that, baby girl, cause you don't know I'm on it, okay? But yeah, today's video was very simple. I'm sorry I was like moving around a lot. I was trying to get my mirror to like stay still so I could like, you know, do my makeup and stuff, but maybe like that, period. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to get into the videos, and before we get into the video, for the look, it's a very simple look. It's not a long video, so I'm sorry guys. I will start cranking out more longer videos, but you guys know that YouTube does have a like limit before you know hit a certain amount of subscribers where you can only post like 15 minutes and below. So I've been trying to do that, but it did say I was approved to post longer than 15 minutes. So I don't know, you know, if you guys know what's up with that situation, let it go know, cause I'm trying to give you guys some real good content, and it's very hard to try to fit it in this time span. So I'm trying to give you guys like really nice, like affordable, helpful looks like today. You know, I did a very nice, natural, simple look that you can wear on every day, or if you know you're trying to like go swimming or like, you know, do something with your mans or like, you know, your friends, and you're not trying to act like you have makeup on, but you know your skin just not looking right that day. This is how you do it, okay? And you know, you can, like I did, like I didn't do too much. I literally have like barely makeup on, but if you want to apply a little more heavy, you can. And if you guys actually want to see my no foundation, because I never wear foundation, so this is kind of how I do my makeup minus the eye look, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys actually want to see how I do foundation and like my contour and stuff, and how I do a no foundation makeup routine, comment below, because I get that video guys shortly. But yeah, so this is my look today. I didn't even finish it off, so I'm gonna finish it off with you guys right now with some setting spray, which isn't really setting spray. It's actually Rich Hazel Rosewater toner, which is what I swear by. Like literally, like I use it to set my face. I use it to like everything. I use it for everything, okay? Period. Okay, I use it for everything. But yeah, so let's just get right into the video before this intro gets too long and you guys want to hop off the video, okay? So see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, first I love to start off with my Carmax. Really any moisturizer will do. I just love really heavy duty one. So yeah, whatever is good for you. Then I go in with some aloe vera, and I'll just cut that open with some scissors. And then after that, I'll peel it right open. And I'll just put it all over my face. And I like to do like about 3 layers. You could do as many layers as you want, but I like to really layer it up because it tightens your skin, and it also like really adds moisture to your skin, so your skin will really soak that up. Okay, and then after 3 layers, I like to massage in between layers, and then finish it off with some toner. Then I just let the toner dry. Takes a while, to be honest. I was sitting here for a really long time. Okay, now that that's all done, I'm going to put some mineral oil all over my face, and you could use any oil. I also like to substitute that with some vitamin E oil. But after I do my oils, I like to conceal just a bit under my eyes, and that's usually all I do. But for the video, I did on the nose, and you know, just to add some content to the video. But yeah, after that I just blend it all out,
and usually I just like blend it with my fingers because it is just a few dots under my eyes, and I don't like to really drag it down like I am here in the video. But just for the purpose of the video, to make it more eventful, I did so. Yeah, and I even did a few other things like put blush on or whatever further down the line. But then next I'm just going to blend that out as much as I can and make sure it goes and blends with my real skin, because I do not wear foundation, so I like to blend as much as I can. Okay, after I'm done blending and it looks all good, then I'm going to go in and fill my eyebrows, and I usually just use the darkest shade on my Naked 2 palette, which is like a black shade. Can't think of the name right now, but yeah. I like to just go in with light hair strokes. I don't put a lot. I'll just put them every other space or every other hair, just to like darken them a little bit, but not too much. Okay, after they're done, I'll just apply a little blush, and I like to use the 2 darkest shades on my e.l.f. palette. I'll just do a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Then after, I'll finish it off with highlighting my cheeks with some Vaseline, and I like to just do it in a patting motion to add it, and then I blend it out with my middle finger. I also added a little smoke from the Tarte palette to my eyelids, but I lost the footage, so sorry about that.
Alright guys, sorry about that. The camera actually did shut off towards the end there, and you know, a few times in between, but you know how it is. Your girl gotta get a new battery or invest in a new camera. But I don't think it's the camera. I honestly think it's my battery. But anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. Like, I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, like I just wanted to give you guys a little, you know, look or whatever, you know, because I wanted to show you guys how I do my like no makeup looks and stuff like that. And honestly, you could actually amplify this look by putting a little more contour, which I don't have any, obviously, I saw. I usually don't even put on blush, as you guys heard in the video, or like any of that extra stuff. I just like do concealer under my eyes, and then like my brows, and that's about it. But you know, today I was like, well, why not? You know, like powdered the eyelids, you know, put a little blush there, put some concealer on my nose. Like, why not? Like, it's cute. But yeah, guys, so that's the look. I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted it to be like a very nice, simple video, just because I know I haven't gotten you guys any videos in like a week or two, and honestly, it's just because I've been working. But you know, I'm trying to get off that 9 to 5 vibe very soon, so that I can actually focus my time and attention on modeling, which you guys know is like my main priority, and you know, this, which is my love and passion. I love, you know, spreading joy and just knowledge and just trying to lighten your life, help you guys become radiant versions. So yeah, I'm excited to be doing that, and I'm sorry it took me forever to continue doing that because I haven't been uploading videos. My bad. But yeah, guys, so I don't know when my next videos will be. I know I said I would be doing Makeup Mondays and the Fun Pack Fridays, but like I said in my last video, I will be doing like a drawing. So if you guys want to see an M word of the week and an F word of the week, please comment an F word of the week or an M word of the week, and it will be showcased here for our next video, if you guys do it in time. Before I finish editing my last, I'm going to post a bit, you know what, because I can't do that. Like, so basically, comment F word of the day here and or here. Why do I keep doing this? I don't know if it's deal with me. Comment F word of the day down here, and I will do it. If you guys comment ones that I really enjoy and like, just because when we're starting off, I want to post content that I actually enjoy and that I want to make, not just because I have to make it, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna do. And then once I, you know, probably the week after that, I will start posting like M word of the day, F word of the day, and I mean of the week, but of the day technically, because it's that day. Yeah, feel me? Okay, but yeah, so I will be filming that, and I'm sorry if you guys didn't hear any voices or just commotion going around around me, or if there was like stops and little, you know, bumps around the road while I was filming. You know, I do have roommates, like you guys already know, but on top of that, I do have my in-laws here today, so, and they're gonna be here for a while, so, you know what I'm saying, my videos might be a little and I have extra voices, but that's okay, because, you know, who doesn't love extra attention and extra energy put towards, you know, or less. Anyways, but yeah, guys, so, you know, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and do not forget to follow my socials below, because, your girl posts every day on her socials, and, yeah, that's all for today's video. I love you guys, and can't wait to see you guys in the next video.